Hey guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, my name's Courtney. I do all videos pertaining to making money online. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Sorry, I have not done a video in a very long time. Been busy, got a part-time job, just been busy doing other things. But as you can see, I'm still using my side hustles. So, let's do this. Prizerebel, my #1 site to earn money online. The link will be in the description. When you click that link and sign up, you receive a bonus of, I think, 25 cents. The lowest cash out, I believe, is $1. I like to cash out via PayPal. We're going to go over all of that. Let me go over the levels with you. When you start your bronze, then you go to silver, gold, platinum, and diamond is the highest. Okay, so when you're diamond, you've cashed out more than $160. You get 30% of your referrals earnings, automatic prize processing, 3% of a special bonus at the beginning of the month, and you get a prize discount. Platinum, you've cashed out $100 at least, 25% referral, automatic prize processing, 2% of your special bonus at the beginning of the month, and 2% of a prize discount. Gold, $45, 25%. Yes, automatic prize processing, 1%, and 1% prize discount. Silver, $10, 20% of your referrals. No automatic prize processing, which is a bummer, and no special bonuses or price discounts. Okay, you'll start at bronze. Once you work up to diamond, you will never decrease your status. You will always stay at diamond. So you want to get to at least gold so that you can get your prize claims automatically if you like gift cards or if you like PayPal like me. So let me show you the rewards and my rewards history. There's PayPal, there's Amazon, there's Dunkin', there's uh this is a Canadian Visa prepaid card. Restaurant.com, Safeway, Taco Zone, Taco Time, um, Container Store, eBay, Disney, Blooming Brands, which has Outback Carrabba's, um, something else, Bonefish Grill, and Flamingo, Flamingos. I don't know. But there is a ton of prizes. So if we go, you can even go, they have $1 and $5 gift cards. Let's see what they have for $1. $2 iTunes is the cheapest you can get. $2 or $3 Dunkin' card, $2 Amazon card, and then it goes up from there. So there's that. I will show you my rewards history. It's not very exciting this year because, like I said, I've been busy. This year I've redeemed $46.75. Last year I redeemed $60.26. Current point is 506. Points earned today $2.35. Points earned yesterday 0. Points earned this month $2.37. Points earned this year $50.33. Every 100 points is $1. Lifetime points I've earned from this site is $533.90. Rewards claim 94. Total referrals 98. Today's referral points 49 points. Okay, so that's just about 50 cents almost. All right, so my referral stats. Everybody's so concerned with referrals. I have 4 total referrals that I've gotten through this week. Okay, 69.9 points, 70 cents. Okay, 48 total clicks. Today, the referral that signed up, or I actually didn't have, I had one that signed up on the 30th, and they're just starting to get into Prizerebel. I earned 49.5 points off of them. So almost. And then I haven't earned from referrals since the 8th of September. Okay. So they come far and few in between. Um, you can see what I did today. I jumped on here because if I know I'm close, I'm going to push myself over that limit. So I got a promo code in the mail for 10 points, and then I did some revenue universe offers. They were crediting really well. And then I did my daily challenge, which I will show you right now. So this is the 5-day daily challenge. I do have a daily challenge for 5 cents a day. Here's my reward goal. I have it set for $5 PayPal money. Here's my referral link. You have one as well. Make sure you download the Prizerebel extension. It will get you more promo codes. Here's the surveys that you can complete. Let's see. Offer walls. Invite friends and get points while you sleep. If we go to, you can do surveys, you can do offer walls, you can play with videos, let videos run while you sleep. There is Peanut Labs, Abgate, Avertoro, AdGen, AT Studios, Ascend, and Revenue Universe. Okay. What I do with these, I always go to the free and I just complete them. Videos. You're going to sign up for hideout.tv and you're going to click and let these videos play while you're at work, while you're at school, while you're busy doing things. Just let the videos play. Don't even worry about it. Just let them play. Okay. And then if you're a big survey person, which I am not, I usually get kicked out of most of the surveys, but you can do your surveys and um, daily survey 73 cents a piece. So you can also try to do these and qualify. There's Pro, there's Peanut Loves, there's Taluna, there's Innovate, and there's Gold surveys. You can also invite your friends like I am. You can win, do raffles, lucky numbers, contest, my winnings. Do your rewards history. I'll show you guys mine. I haven't cashed out in a long time, so there's nothing there. But like I said, we're going to do a cash out. And then if you want to sign up for this site, be sure to click the link down in the description. I'm just going to click $5 PayPal money. I'm going to click claim this item. Yep. And then click below to share. You can do it through Facebook, Twitter, email, or Messenger. Okay. I just closed the pop-up. That leaves me 6 cents left. So that will be in my account in less than 5 minutes. Like I said, I hope you guys join Prizerebel. I hope it helps you earn some extra money. I know it has for me. When I first started, I was earning $5 a day, $35 a week, and it was really helping me do the extra things that I wanted to do, put gas in my car, help pay my phone bill, go out to eat, whatever I wanted to do with the money. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you click the link down in the description to sign up for your bonus today. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I upload new videos. And I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. Have a great evening.